Rotary, tawi linalojumuisha nchi za Kenya, Eritrea, Ethiopia na Sudan Kusini limeanzisha mchango maalum unaolenga kusaidia kutokomeza maradhi ya polio. Huku dunia mzima ikiadhimisha siku ya polio Alhamisi iliyopita, jumla ya klabu 85 zimo katika juhudi za kukusanya fedha zitakazosaidia katika mpango mzima wa chanjo ya maradhi hayo. Baadhi ya waathiriwa wa polio walikuwa katika mkutano huo. Mpango huo unafanywa kwa pamoja na shirika la Rotary, Wizara ya Afya, shirika la UNICEF na lile la Afya Ulimwenguni WHO.
The total population of Kenya, Ethiopia, South Sudan and Eritrea, we have a total of 172 million people in these countries. And all we are asking for is for 1 million of them to give $1 each. 1 million people to give 100 shillings. And in that way, we will raise $1 million for polio. And with the match from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Rotary Foundation, we will actually make that $6 million coming from our district. And that means that we're covering 18 million children. 18 million children will be immunized.
I received an injection, as she tells me, and we went there. As we went to the hospital, I was walking, I could run around, but after being injected, I did not stand again. And by then she didn't know. Even today she said it was measles. She doesn't believe it was polio. But to me, after learning the science and how polio is acquired, I realized that I got the virus because in my neighborhood, 3 of us were infected at the same time. And I got paralyzed from the waist downwards.
UNICEF will continue to support this initiative. This is something we have been doing over the years. We will continue to contribute and raise funds towards this extremely noble partnership. I was excited listening to Rahab. Rahab is among 47 champions. Every single county in this country has a polio champion.
Na mtazamaji, taarifa hii